So our second question says that you have to print numbers from 10 to 1 in a reverse order. Okay, in a reverse order. So without any wastage of time, let's get started. First of all, what we will do here, we'll take a variable. As I told you that every loop starts with the every loop has three condition, three parts. First one is the initialization part, second one is the conditional part, third one is the updation part. Okay, initialization means where you want to start, from where you want to start the loop. The condition is after the every iteration, or after the every iteration, what on what condition base, on condition basis you are going to check the you are going to run the further iterations. Okay, that's what the condition part is. And third part is the incrementation or updation part, or decrementation part, whatever, updation part. Okay, in this part you are updating the states of the variables and to move to the next iteration, or just yeah, like that. Okay, that without any wastage of time, let's get started. So if I have to print the numbers from 10 to 1 in the reverse order, so I will start from the 10. Okay, then in the while loop, what I will do, I will say 10 should always be greater or equal to 0. Why I am taking 0? No, I should not take 1. I should take only 1, because 1 is also included. 0 is not included. 1 and 10 are included. Inside this while loop, I will just print what? I will just print I values. Okay. But after this first iteration, let us say 10, I is 10 and 10 greater or equal to 1. That's right. And it will print the I. Wonderful. But I want to update the value. I want to update the value so that it will also check for 9, also for 8, also for 7. So like that. How will I update it? How will I want the value of I in the second iteration, that is 9, so that it will check the 9 greater or equal to 1, like that. Then 8 greater or equal to 1 in the third iteration. How will I update it? Like, simply I have to decrement the I value, which is currently 10. I have to update it to, no, I have to decrement it with 1. Simply I will say I minus 1. Okay, or I can say also like this. This is also true. This is called unary. This is a unary operator, and you can use this operator as well, or you can do the with arithmetic operators as well. Okay, okay, this is also true, and this one is also true. So what I will do, after this decrementation, it will print, it will go through the next iteration, check for 9. I will tell you the flow. I will tell you the flow. Okay, first of all, I is 10, right? I is 10. It will check something like this: 10 greater or equal to 10 greater or equal to 1. Huh? Yeah, that says true. If the condition is true, then it will enter into the loop. So it will enter the loop. Okay, it prints I. I is what? 10. Okay, then it will go through this statement and say that, oh, I equals I minus 1. Okay, now uh, I equals to, what is the value of current value of I? It is 10. 10 minus 1, which is 9. So now I is not now what? 10. It is becomes 9. Simply. So after this 9, it is being updated now. It will go again to the condition. Okay, it will go again to the condition, and here the value of I is 9 and greater or equal to 1. That is what? That is true, right? So it will enter the loop again in the second iteration. Print the value of what? What is the current value of I? It is 9. Sorry, it is 9. Okay, now it will update again from I becomes now what? 8. And I 8 goes here, and I check the condition 8 greater or equal to 1, something like this. Okay, it shows true. Okay, shows true. Then it will enter the loop again, and what you will do, it will print the this 8, print the value of I, then do the decrementation also. Now it will become I what? 7. So like that, so on, it will go on. So this will also go on. Up to what? If when I becomes 1, it say 1 greater or equal to 1, it will print the 1. But if you decrement it further, I minus 1, I is 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0 at the last iteration. It becomes 0. When 0 goes to the condition 0 greater or equal to 1, that's false. It will exit from the loop. And I want something like, hey, loop has been exited. Okay, this is what I want after the loop. Let us see whether this will print this statement or not. Okay, whether this will print the numbers from 10 to 1 or not. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, run this program. As you can see, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and after the 1